Today, especially at the Tivim railway station, with the intention to check all the eateries outside the railway station, which is frequented by a lot of the travelers who come into Goa, also the people moving out from the state. So 14 premises were covered today, which included tea stalls, restaurants, as well as dry fruit shops. And from these 14, 4 we had to ask to close down, being unhygienic, and they have been issued directives to immediately comply. We've also fined one food business operator 5,000 because that food business operator was inspected around a month ago and she failed to comply with the directives. So that has been the summary of today's checks. Tivi railway station and around Tivi railway station हे सगळे check केल्या. So आज mainly objective was to do the outlets outside the railway station. 4 बंद केल्या premises आणि बाकीच्यांका improvement notice दिल्या under section 32 of the Food Safety and Standards Act आणि तांका 14 days जो legal time होता तो आम्ही दिल्लो असा आणि post 14 days त्यांचे verification करतले जाणी comply केला त्यांचे notices close जातले जाणी करूंक ना त्यांचे fully कारवाई जातली which is suspension of their licenses or a fine under section 69.